Hey guys, in this video we're gonna be checking out the top 5 best motorcycle helmets for men that are available on the market for their true quality. I made this list based in my personal opinion and hours of research and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you want to see more information in the updated price, you can check out the description below and also make sure subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5, we have the ScorpionExo Covert Unisex Adult Half-Size Style Matte Black Helmet. This is one of the other best motorcycle helmets by ScorpionExo. This helmet brings safe and protection to your head. It is even convenient with the design for unisex adult that fits both men and women. That is so perfect for motorcycle riding with the design of matte black color as well. There is a good quality outer shell made of LG polycarbonate. With the lightweight shell, you will feel relaxed in putting the head on the head. What is more, it comes up with a removable front mask that is easy to clean and wash. So, it is also safe for the skin as well. There are double density EPS that is such a great safety standard for a motorcycle helmet. More than this, it designs with great sun visor to prevent eyes from the sun effect. It varies in any light condition as well. Moreover, this safe motorcycle helmets for unisex adult offers a block-off plate with 3/4 mode as well. Moving on at number 4, we have the GLX Unisex Adult GX15 Lightweight Full-Face Motorcycle Street Bike Helmet with internal sun visor. Approved. Coming up next, this is another incredible motorcycle helmet by GLX. That is great with the unisex adult design. It is even attractive with the full-face helmet that is perfect for motorcycle riding. This helmet made from a dot shell with polycarbonate that is such great protection. This kind of outer shell is also durable and strong to the hard hit as well. What is more, there is an adjustable tint visor that allows users to take it off easily. The great motorcycle rider will likely enjoy the ride even more with the 3D option of the face shield. It is also adjustable. With this face shield, it helps to reduce the wind distracted while riding. This full-face helmet consists of an easy and quick-release chin strap that offers safety and comfort to the users. Not only safe and secure, these helmet designs with good care of easily removable and washable inner as well. At number 3, we have the Westt Cross Dirt Bike Helmet. Moving on to the next product, it is another best unisex helmets on our list. That is such a perfect tool to protect your head from any accident while riding a motorcycle. This helmet is perfect as a smart helmet design with smart operation and connection. You are able to use your smartphone while riding well with the Connect buckle of this helmet. There is a dual visor to prevent and protect from scratch or wind. It is also adjustable that allows users to easily remove if you need to use glasses. The safety standard is great and certified by the US. Of its dot shell design. The most important about this helmet is its multi-purpose use. Not only for motorcycle, but it is also great for biking that can protect your face from snow, dirt, and more. Moreover, it contracted with comfortable and washable padding to make your ride enjoyable. At number 2, we have the VCOROS Motorcycle Half Helmet Sun Visor Quick Release Buckle. Approved half-face cycling helmets for men/women. This is another great motorcycle helmet in the list by VCOROS. It is so great with the half helmet design that is perfect for both motorcycling and biking. Interestingly, it is suitable for both men and women to use. That is another convenient thing. This half helmet consists of an easy and quick release chin strap that is comfortable to use. To add on, it made of good quality materials of the outer shell. That designed with ABS shell. In which you will no longer worry about is safety standard. There is a removable sun visor as well. Interestingly, there are up to 12 colors available to choose from with this great design helmet. And finally at number 1, we have the Adult GX11 Compact Lightweight Full-Face Motorcycle Street Bike Helmet with extra tinted visor. Approved. The next best helmet is the GLX Unisex Adult Helmet. With the DOT safety standard, you will feel much secure and safe in enjoying your great ride. This is so perfect for motorcycle riding. They're removable and washable inner materials that are so easy to use. Besides this, you can also enjoy the ride well with the 3D shield that designed to protect your face and eyes. With this kind of shield, you are not distracted by the wind or snow while riding. Moreover, it consists of good operation with easy and quick release of the chin strap as well. Thanks you for watching guys, I hope you liked this video. If this video is helpful to you, please make sure like, comment and subscribe. If you have any question related to this product you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.